A new Bombshell report has shed light on Elon Musk's alleged drug use, painting a picture of a lifestyle far different from the calculated, tech-focused image he often projects publicly. The report, published by the Wall Street Journal, reveals details of Musk's reported use of substances like ecstasy, psychedelic mushrooms, and ketamine over the course of several years. According to multiple sources cited in the report, Musk has used these drugs in both private and social settings, including high-profile parties attended by fellow tech executives, celebrities, and even board members of his companies. Witnesses claim Musk's drug use was visible and known to many within his circles. The report suggests that Musk's substance use may have affected not only his personal health but also raised concerns among top executives and board members at companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Some insiders reportedly worried that his behavior could pose legal or reputational risks, especially given that both companies hold major government contracts, including ones with NASA and the U.S. Department of Defense. Among the most striking revelations is the alleged use of ketamine, which Musk has publicly mentioned in the past as a treatment for depression. However, sources say his use often went beyond therapeutic doses and occurred recreationally. The report claims that Musk has taken ketamine at parties, sometimes in combination with alcohol or other drugs. The report also highlights Musk's use of ecstasy and psychedelic mushrooms, particularly at events hosted in locations such as Ibiza, Los Angeles, and private homes. Witnesses described moments when Musk appeared to be visibly under the influence in public, leading to awkward encounters and raised eyebrows from associates. One of the more surprising claims involves Musk's health. According to people close to the situation, his drug use has reportedly contributed to recurring bladder problems. While Musk has previously cited stress or physical conditions as causes of his bladder issues, the report points to ketamine use as a potential contributing factor. In high doses or overextended periods, ketamine is known to cause urinary tract complications, including bladder inflammation and pain. Some of Musk's inner circle have defended him, suggesting that his drug use is infrequent or exaggerated. They argue that despite the allegations, Musk remains highly productive, managing multiple billion-dollar companies including Tesla, SpaceX, formerly Twitter, and Neuralink. They point to his continued success as evidence that his lifestyle has not impacted his leadership abilities. However, others express concern about the long-term effects of such behavior. A few anonymous sources within Musk's companies reportedly raised red flags about whether his drug use could affect decision-making or company operations. One source reportedly mentioned that some board members felt pressure not to confront Musk directly because of his power and influence. The situation also poses legal questions. As the CEO of companies that work with government agencies, any illegal drug use, especially if known or tolerated by board members, could put federal contracts at risk. NASA and other agencies have yet to comment publicly on the report, but legal experts suggest the matter could invite further scrutiny. Musk has addressed the topic of drug use publicly in the past, though often in a joking or dismissive manner. In 2018, he appeared on Joe Rogan's podcast and famously took a puff of marijuana, which led to temporary dips in Tesla's stock price and prompted NASA to launch a review of SpaceX's workplace culture. Musk later said he did not regularly use marijuana and claimed it didn't help his productivity. In response to the latest report, Musk has not issued a detailed statement. He has, however, posted on social media, implying that his drug use is under medical supervision and that he receives regular testing. In a post, he wrote that his work schedule requires strict discipline and that he cannot afford to let personal habits interfere with his responsibilities. Whether or not the new report leads to official investigations or internal action remains to be seen. For now, it has added a new layer of complexity to the public image of one of the world's most powerful and controversial figures. Elon Musk, known for pushing boundaries in technology and business, is now facing questions about personal boundaries and the consequences that may follow.